We were gonna maybe be outside today, but it's a little chilly.
It is a little chilly.
We've closed the patio down, so inside with our main man, Chef D, making a couple of different recipes with shrimp, you say?
Ultra natural shrimp. There's no any chemicals or anything. You can buy this at your local Sobeys. I love this shrimp. It's neato deveined. They take the tail off because, again, who wants to eat the tail when you're making all these recipes? And I thought, let's do something different. So you're going to get the sauce.
Wait a second, though. Why does one look different than the other?
This one's not cooked.
Okay, so can I put this one? Okay, 100%. So yeah. So the one's, it's the same shrimp, but one's not cooked, one is.
Right, exactly. Same shrimp.
Does it matter? Like when you're looking for shrimp?
So we're going to, no, it doesn't matter. You know, if I was going to use this in a cook, to get heat up, I would put it right in at the end. It takes 30 seconds, warm it back up, right?
This takes a little bit longer.
And you can tell it's been cooked in the shell because it's more opaque.
So we could give this a try.
100% you can.
There we go. All right, what am I doing?
Okay, you're gonna make the sauce for the Singapore shrimp. We have fish sauce, we have sweet and sour, a little bit of gochujang, we have some vinegar, we have some garlic, we have some lemongrass. Okay, get blended. Go. Hit chop.
Chop.
Start. Oh yeah, look at that. Hit it again. Hit it again. It doesn't have to be anything fine, Tim. We're just going to use it for the sauce.
Right.
I'm going to stir this to shrimp. And I have a little bit of onion in with the shrimp just to give it some flavor.
You see a little onion?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so you're good with that?
Yep.
Okay, so now we're going to pour that in with our shrimp.
This goes right in here?
100%.
Oh, it smells
right
off there. It's fantastic.
Just right. You get all that great flavor. There it goes.
Maybe you should have blended that a little bit longer.
You
get the idea.
Right. You don't have to. We always, recipes are like roadmaps. So there's more than one way to get the end result. Okay. I want you to put some cooked shrimp there.
How much?
That's perfect. If you want to put a little bit more.
Perfect, but a little bit more.
Yeah.
You love your Chef D.
Right? Okay. And then you can put some feta.
Okay.
And then you're going to garnish it. Nona Pia, Whistler, BC, made in Canada. Just balsamic and sugar. That's all they use. Or drizzle it over. It's like going to Italy, but here.
Oh, let's do it. Oh, there we go.
Right?
There we go.
Look at you go.
Oh, there we go.
Look at
this cooking show, huh?
I know. You've done this TV thing once or twice, right?
What's the watermelon for?
Now, okay, so we're going to garnish it with some watermelon. Again, I was just thinking, it's been so warm out that let's do something really cool with watermelon. So on it goes. If you wanted to, you could garnish it with some fresh basil. You don't necessarily have to.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our, This is our plate for, I did some rice noodles. Again, rice noodles take like a whole whopping 30 seconds to cook. So out they go.
This fresh basil, fantastic.
Right? Yeah. Look at this. And then we just have our shrimp here.
You don't put the noodles in there at all?
No, we're going to put it
right on top.
And once the shrimp's opaque, you're almost good to go.
Yeah,
so
how long should it, what are you cooking that on high?
On high. Yeah, this is a one time.
Like over topping. What are you doing there?
This is a one time that you want the burner on high. A lot of times I say like medium high, but you want it hot. You want the shrimp to cook like right away, okay? And you're just starting to see it's getting nice and opaque.
You can overcook shrimp too, right?
Oh, 100%. Like, again, it gets really dry and that. So you want to really watch it. Like, I'm just going to show you this piece. This piece is perfect. You want to try that? Yeah, it might be a little hot.
We got a minute left. You got some big announcements coming up.
Oh, yeah, in November.
Can we tease anything? Like, what can we say?
Yeah. Get ready.
Okay.
Bruce Springsteen, November 3rd.
Oh, that's coming up. Which is how many times now?
32.
32 times you've seen them?
And then we're going to, I've been filming with this film crew from France this past week. And we're going to launch something in November, which is really cool. And then there's one more big announcement to come.
With a connection to Hamilton.
With a connection to Hamilton. Okay?
That's got to be done.
I know, right?
Throw that on there. That's the last shot right there.
Ready? Here we go.
I need a fork. Where's the fork? Oh, here.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. I know, they probably put too much. You can't even find the noodles anymore.
No, it's fabulous. Okay, we'll hook this up with our website, tach.com, for all the Chef D recipes. 2 beautiful shrimp ones right here. One more live after this.
How good's that?
Welcome. Get a little noodle in there too.
Yep.